Good morning, students. Right. Welcome to today class. Okay. This is TSWRS Medipelli Jagityal and JL Mathematics Annapurna. Right. Yesterday we discussed about we found the equation of the circle. So in that equation passing through the 3 points. So yesterday we had done the problem according to the formula. Right. Same problem we are able to do in another way. So today I am going to teach the second method, that is called equation solving method, means salvation method. So coming to the point. See, this is the example problem 1.1.18, page number in book, page number 15. So this comes under the 7 marks and important problem. This is long question. Okay. So solving method. Find the equation of the circle passing through P of 1, 1, Q of 2, -1, R of 3, -2. So this is the problem. First we have to write the given data. Right. So solution. Let given points are 1, 1, 2, -1, 3, 2. So let me we have to assume the equation of the circle as a x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is equation as I am putting 1. Okay, right. So next. So passing 3 points equation of the circle. It means that 3 points are lies on the circle. So that's why that 3 points are belongs to the circle. Okay, right. So that's why I am substituting the 3 points in the equation 1. Right. See, then 1, 1 belongs to equation 1. See, this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. These two values are I am substituting in equation 1. X square means 1 square, right? Y square means 1 square. 2gx, 2g of 1. 2fy, 2f of 1. Plus c, c is not there, so we write as it is, right? Is equal to 0. Then what we have got? See, 1 square plus 1 square 2 plus 2g, 2 into 1 2, 2g, 2 into 1 2, 2f plus c is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Similarly, I substituted the points, second point and third point. I got the equations 3 and 4. So what are that? See. So this is the 5 plus 4g minus 2f plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation 3. And when I substituted 3, 2 in equation 1, I got 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation 4. Now I substituted 3 points in the equation 1. Right. See, now we have to solve the equation 2, 3, 4. Okay. Right. Here see, I am subtracting from the equation 2 from the equation 3. Right. What is the equation 2? So this is the equation 2. Equation 2. What is the equation 3? This is the equation 3. See, this is the equation 3. While solving the two equation, when we subtracting, so the operations will change. The second equation operations will change. Here see, here 5, for 5 minus plus is there, minus plus plus minus, right? So C will cancel, right? C will cancel. Then what we got? Minus 3 minus 2g plus 4f is equal to 0. Similarly, I solved this is the equation 5, right? Similarly, I solved the equation 3 minus equation 4. I mean subtracting. So this is the equation 3 and equation 4. This is the equation 4, right? Then what I got? Minus 8. The operations are changed. Minus 8 minus 2g minus 6f is equal to 0. This equation I put as a equation 6. So again we are solving the equation, this fifth equation and sixth equation. So right, what? Solve equation 5 minus 6, right? I am subtracting the equation 5 to 6, right? See, what is the equation 5? This is the equation 5. This is the equation 6. See here. So the operations are changed. Then this minus 2g plus 2g will cancel, are cancelled, and plus 8 minus 3 5. Here plus 6f and plus 4f. What? 10f is equal to 0. From this equation we got f value is minus 1 by 2. Okay, right. So now we have to find out the g value and c value. Then only we got the equation of the circle. Right. See, substitute the f value in equation 5. So this is the equation 5. There is no c. That's why if you substitute the f value, then only you get the g. Right. See, I am substituted. Minus 3 minus 2g plus 4 of minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Then minus 5 is equal to 0. That implies minus 5 minus 2g is equal to 0. Then we got g value as a g is equal to minus 5 by 2. Right. Now we have to find out the c value. So we are substitute fg values in equation 2. This is the equation 2. See, 2 plus 2g, 2 of minus 5 by 2, 2f, 2 of minus 1 by 2 plus c is equal to 0. From this equation we got the value c is equal to 4. Finally, we are substituting the f, g, c values in equation 1. Right? See, substitute f, g, c values in 1. See, here x square, y square, 2gx. 2g is minus 5 by 2, x, 2f5, 2f value minus 1 by 2y plus c value plus 4, right? f, g, c, right, is equal to 0. So then 2 will cancel, 2 cancel, right? So finally we got the required equation. What is that? X square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the final required equation. This is about passing through 3 points. If one circle passing through 3 points, we have a 2 methods. In that one method according to the formula, and this method according to the salvation method. Right? Which method is comfortable to you? You can choose in your final examination. That is your comfortability. Okay? Thank you.